Hello friends, today we start oil seed crop, that is the groundnut. So groundnut is a very popular among the farmer. Its botanical name is Arachis hypogea. Arachis means pod, hypogea means underground, that is underground pod. It belongs to family Leguminosae and it is originated from the America, that is Brazil. So varieties have been dropped from our syllabus. Climate. So groundnut can be grown in all the three seasons, Kharif, Rabi and summer. So it is a tropical and subtropical crop, require warm, dry and hot climate. It is grown in optimum temperature 24 to 33 degrees centigrade, and it can be grown in the area which is receiving a rainfall 500 to 1600 millimeter. So it cannot be grown in the frost and cloudy weather because frost and cloudy weather spread the number of fungal diseases. Now regarding the soil, almost all the agriculture crops are require well drained and fertile soil. Soil should be well drained and fertile. Soil like medium, light, black, sandy loam, except clay. Clay soils becomes hard and compact and it will may create the problem in the pod formation. So avoid the clay soil. All the soils well drained and fertile which is having pH 5.5 to 5 or 6, that is neutral pH. It cannot be grown in waterlogged conditions. Then regarding the seed treatment, the seed should be treated with the different chemicals or the fungicide to avoid the different pests and diseases. Groundnut seeds are treated with the 1% organomercurial compound, that is any fungicide like agrocin, cerosan or thyram at the rate of 3 gram per kg of seed to avoid the fungal diseases. Groundnut seeds are also treated with the rhizobium culture. It is a food of bacteria. So this rhizobium culture fixes the atmospheric nitrogen, and this nitrogen is very essential for the growth of plant. So that is the rhizobium culture seed treatment, OMC treatment. Nowadays Trichoderma viridor is also popular among the farmer. This is also effective seed treatment for the groundnut. Then methods of sowing. Groundnut is sown by two common methods, drilling and dibbling. Drilling means seeds are drilled with the help of seed drill like Dufan, Tiffin or Chauffin, and seeds are dibbled by the hand is the dibbling. Now seed rate and spacing, there are three types of the groundnut: erect, semi-erect and spreading varieties. Erect varieties require 100 to 120 kg seeds per hectare and they are planted at the spacing of 30 by 10 centimeter. Distance between two row is 30 and distance between two plant is the 30 by 10 centimeter. Then semi spreading varieties, seed rate is 80 to 100 kg and these are sown at the spacing of 45 by 15 centimeter. While spreading varieties, seed rate is 60 to 80 kg and spreading varieties are sown at the spacing of 60 by 15 centimeter. Now manuring and fertilizer. Generally 12.5 to 13 ton FY or compost is incorporated into the soil at a time of land preparation. It should be well mixed. And for irrigated crop, 20 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus and 0 potash. While for rain-fed crop, 10 kg nitrogen, 20 kg phosphorus and no potash. So all the NPs are given at a time of sowing. Regarding the irrigation, generally in Kharif season, that is in rainy season, irrigation is not given to the crop. In winter season, irrigation is given at the interval of 20 to 25 days, while in summer season, irrigation is given at the interval of 7 to 8 days. Frequency of irrigation is depend on the variety, climatic condition, etc. Then it's harvesting. Harvesting, science of maturity in harvesting. When to harvest, how to harvest. Generally, the plant or leaves becomes yellow and dry. This is one of the sign. Then internal part, when you broken the pod, internal part of that pod is look black. That is another symptom. Then the pods are filled to the tough, full in size. Then harvesting is done. Generally, erect varieties are harvested after 100 days. Semi-erect varieties are harvested after 120 days. And the spreading varieties are harvested after 150 days of sowing. Erect and semi-erect varieties are harvested by pulling the plants and then pods are separated. While spreading varieties are harvested by plowing the land. After plowing, pods are collected, cleaned from the field. Regarding the yield, so erect varieties give 8 to 10 quintal per hectare, semi-erect 10 to 12 quintal per hectare, and spreading varieties 15 to 7 quintal per hectare, while irrigated crop of groundnut is give yield 30 quintal per hectare. And last, economic uses of groundnut. You know, the groundnut is used in every household for cooking purpose, culinary purpose. Seeds of groundnut contain 45 to 55% oil. Then groundnut contain proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, vitamin A, E, B12, etc. Oil cake, after extraction of oil, that is cake. Oil cake is fed to the cattle. Green wines are also fed to the cattle. Then the cells of the groundnut pods are used for preparing the hardboard and cardboard. So nuts, that is the kernels, are eaten as boiled, roasted, sweetened, or the salted. So also groundnut provide raw material to the industry for preparing a number of byproducts like soap, varnish, lubricant oil, rubber, ink, etc. This is regarding the groundnut.